Either if you want to change SIM card pin on your Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra, then this video is for you. First, you just need to go to settings. Now from here you just need to go to the connections. Now from here tap on SIM manager and you just need to scroll down, and at the bottom you'll find more SIM settings, and from here you can just go to the SIM card security, where you can just lock your SIM card from here. For example, I'm going to lock it for right now. It is just unlocked on my device. Now as you can see, I have just locked my SIM card. Now if you want to change SIM card pin, then simply tap on the SIM card pin. After enabling the lock for your SIM card, you will get this option, change SIM card pin. Now from here you have to enter the current SIM card pin that you have set for the lock. For example, this is my current SIM card lock. Then if you correctly enter that lock, the pin code, then that's when you are on the next step, where you just need to enter a new SIM card pin that you want to set for the SIM card. Now I'm going to set it like this. Now click on OK. Now you have to enter repeat this pin to confirm it like this. Now after confirming that, you just need to simply tap on OK, and here you can see I have just changed the SIM card pin from here. If I turn it off, so I just need to give this password, this pin code, for unlocking and locking my SIM card from here. So remember the new password that you have changed earlier on your device. So if you forget it, then you have to just reset your SIM card or reset your factory reset your device, so the pin card may remove from your device. So it's pretty simple. Hope you like this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.